So for this topic, let's talk about translating conic section. So let's start with parabola. So here is the standard form of the equation of parabola when the vertex is 0, 0 or the vertex is in the origin. So the standard form of the equation is x squared equals to 4cy, x squared is equal to negative 4cy, and y squared is equal to 4cx, and y squared is equal to negative 4cx. So when the equation is the x is in the power of 2, it means that the parabola is vertical, or yung parabola natin is upward and downward. So, paano ba malalaman kung upward ba o downward ang parabola? So, kung yung 4c is a positive, ibig sabihin, ang parabola natin is upward. So, pag ganyan siya. Then, kapag yung 4c naman natin is negative, ibig sabihin, ang parabola natin is downward. So, pag ganyan siya. So, kung yung y naman is siya yung may squared, ibig sabihin, ang parabola natin is horizontal. So, paano ba malaman kung sa right ba or sa left yung orientation ng parabola? So, kapag yung 4c natin is a positive, ibig sabihin, nasa right yung parabola or the orientation is pa-right. Ganyan. Then, kapag yung 4c naman natin is negative, ibig sabihin yung orientation ng parabola natin is to the left. So, ito yung standard form of equation of parabola when the vertex is 0, 0 or the vertex is in the origin. So, next naman is the vertex is in H in K, or the vertex natin is wala siya sa origin. So, ang magiging standard form natin dyan is x minus h squared is equal to 4c times y minus k. Then, xh squared is equal to 4c or negative 4c times y minus k. Then, y minus k squared is equal to 4c times x minus h. Then, y minus k squared times negative 4c times x minus h. So, kapag ganito yung equation or the standard form, ang ibig sabihin niyan is the vertex is hindi siya nasa origin, or the vertex is not 0, 0. So, paano malalaman kung yung parabola natin or the orientation of parabola is pa upward, downward, or to the right or left? So, kapag yung 4c natin is positive, so, ang mapapansin nyo dito, yung x, siya yung may squared. Ibig sabihin, ang orientation ng parabola natin is pataas or upward. Then, the 4c is positive. Then, kapag pa-downward naman, the 4c is negative, and yung x natin is squared pa rin. So, yan siya. Then, kapag ang orientation naman ng parabola is to the right or left, ang standard form natin is yung y naman yung may squared. Then, ang 4c natin dito is positive. Ibig sabihin, ang orientation ng parabola natin is to the right. Then, dito naman, yung 4c is negative and y is squared. ibig sabihin, ang orientation ng parabola natin is to the left. So, pag ganyan siya. So, dito guys, meron tayong example. Write the equations of a parabola in standard form. So, yung number 1, dito, ang center natin dito is 0, 0. So, kailangan natin siyang i-transform in standard form. So, yung pinakauna nyong gawin is tanggalin tong 2. So, kailangan natin siyang i-divide by 2. So, divide by 2. Then, y squared. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6x. So, ganyan na siya kadali, guys. For number 1. Then, number 2 naman is so, yung number 2 natin is x squared plus 6x plus 8y is equal to 7. So, yung kailangan yung yung una yung gawin is rearrange. So, kailangan natin siyang i-arrange. Then, itong 8y is i-transpose natin siya dito. So, ang magiging sagot natin is x squared plus 6x equal. So, positive siya dito guys. Kaya, pag transpose natin, magiging negative. Negative y plus 7. Then, ang susunod natin gawin is, kailangan natin siyang gawing perfect trinomial. So, yung gagawin natin dito is, kukunin natin tong coefficient 6. So, kukunin natin yung 6. Then, i-divide natin siya sa 2. Always divide in 2. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito is 3. Then, i-squared natin siya. 3 times 3 is 9. Yung 9, kailangan natin siyang i-add dito. So, ang magiging sagot natin is x squared plus 6x, yung 9, plus 9. Then, kailangan rin natin siyang i-add dito sa kabila para maging balance yung equations. 8y, negative 8y plus 7 plus 9. So, yung next step is dito, kailangan natin siyang gawing perfect binomials. So, para maging perfect binomial siya, kukunin natin yung square root ng x. So, kunin natin yung square root ng x is x. Then, copy the sign. Then, ang square root ng 9 is 3. Then, i-squared natin siya. Is equal to negative 8y. Dito, pag-aadin natin to, 7 plus 9 is 16. 16. So, ang susunod natin gagawin is itong 8 or yung 8 is ilalabas natin yan. So, copy natin to. 3 squared. So, ilalabas natin tong 8, negative 8 times y plus, din yung 8 is i-divide natin siya sa 16. So, ang magiging sagot natin is 2. So, ganyan lang siya kadali guys. Ito na yung sagot natin. So, yung susunod naman sa number 3, ang una natin gagawin is i-arrange natin ulit. So, y squared, ito, to-transpose natin sa kabila. So, plus 8y is equal to, so, negative siya dito, kaya magiging positive. 12x minus 40. Then, gagawin natin siyang perfect trinomials. So, y squared plus 8y. Kukunin natin yung coefficients na 8. So, 8. Then, i-divide natin siya sa 2. Then, ang magiging sagot natin is 4. Then, i-squared natin siya equal to 16. Then, yung 16, i-add natin siya dito. 16. I-add din natin siya dito para maging balance yung equations. 2x, 12x minus 40 plus 16. Then, ang susunod is, gagawin natin siya ulit ng perfect binomials. So, magiging, kunin natin to y, copy the sign. Then, ang square root ng 16 is 4. Ito, square root. Then, squared. Then, equal to 12x. Then, ito, pag aadin natin, negative 40 plus 16. So, magiging negative 24. 12. Then, ang susunod is, ilalabas natin ulit tong 12 to y plus 4 squared is equal to 12 times, then, i-divide natin tong 24 sa 12. So, magiging sagot natin is negative 2. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. So, kanina guys, natapos na tayo sa parabola. Ngayon naman is sa circle na tayo. So, standard form of the equations of a circle. So, when the center is 0, 0 or in the center is in the origin, the standard form is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Then, the center is in h in k, or the center is not in the origin. The standard form is h minus or x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r. So, yan yung standard form natin for a circle. So, meron tayong example dito. So, ang example natin dito is gagawin natin siyang standard form. So, first is rearrange natin itong equations. So, yung x squared, then itong 6, pagsasamahin natin siya, negative 6x, then plus y squared is equal to 7. So, itong 6, linipat lang natin siya dito. Then, next is, gagawin natin siyang perfect trinomials. So, copy natin yung x squared minus 6x. Kukunin natin yung coefficients ng 6. 6, then divided by 2 is equal to negative 6. So, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Then, squared natin equal to 9. Then, yung 9, i-add natin siya dito. Plus 9. Then, plus y squared is equal to 7. Then, ang susunod natin gawin is, gagawin natin siyang perfect binomials. Ito, yung x is gagawin natin siyang perfect binomials. So, kukunin natin yung square root ng x squared, x, then copy the sign, negative, then yung 9, square root ng 9 is 3. Then, squared plus y squared is equal to 7. So, ayan na yung sagot natin, guys. Ayan. Then for number 2, isulat natin dito. Number 2, x is plus y minus 4x plus 2y is equal to 14. So, ang una natin gagawin is rearrange natin ulit. So, pagsasamahin natin tong x, may x. So, x squared minus 14x plus y squared, then plus 2y is equal to 14. Then gagawin natin siyang perfect trinomials. Itong si x, lahat ng itong may variable x, then itong y. So ang mangyayari dyan is copy x squared minus 14x. Kukunin natin tong coefficients ng 14. So 14, i-divide natin siya sa 2. So equals 7. Then squared natin siya, equal to 49. 49. Then i-add natin siya dito. 49. Then dito naman tayo kay y. So copy y squared plus 2y. Then kunin natin yung coefficient ng 2. Dito na lang. 2, then divide natin siya sa 2. 1. Sorry, 1. Then squared is equal to 1. So yung 1, i-add natin siya ulit dito. 1 minus 14. So dito, kailangan na rin natin siyang i-add dito sa kabila para maging balance yung equation natin. So i-add natin yung 49 at saka yung 1. Then yung susunod is gagawin na naman natin siyang binomials. So kukunin natin to x, square root ng x minus, ang square root ng 49 is 7. Then squared plus yung y, square root ng y squared is y. Then plus square root ng 1 is 1 squared. Then add natin to, negative 14 plus 49 plus 1 is 36. So ayan na yung sagot natin guys. Ito na yung standard form for a circle.